Number 703-236-9220.
A former staffer has pleaded not guilty to cyber-stalking a member of Congress. Juan McCollum is accused of circulating nude images of Virgin Islands delegate Stacey Plaskett and her husband. A judge released McCollum pending trial, but said he must stay away from Plaskett and her family, keep off social media, and not leave the country. Co-defendant Doreen Brown Lewis has also entered a not guilty plea.
A man caught in that Arizona flooding recounts his story of survival. He was caught up in that same floodwaters that killed 9 people in Arizona. He made it out alive with his dog. The man broke down, describing the moments he thought he wouldn't make it.
You make the wrong step, you get sucked under. You just pray you're making the right decision. I don't want to seem like I'm ungrateful for being alive, but I just wish they were too.
And he's talking, of course, about the children who passed as well in that. With his dog on his shoulders, they both somehow made it safely to a rock. One person is still missing from that Arizona flooding.
It's amazing that he had the presence of mind to film himself after surviving something like that. But it brings to light the fact that when there are these warnings of flash flooding, you've got to take it seriously.
Yeah, so many extremes we're seeing right now. And we're about to go into this extreme heat.
Right. In the desert of Arizona, sometimes the monsoon season's light rain, sometimes torrential rain, and just no soil can't hold the water, and so it just. Well, here, it's the heat is our story, and we've had a couple heat waves this summer. This one coming up is going to last the worst of it through Sunday, and we have very high temperatures, very high humidity levels, so it's going to be tough. So let's get through it, and we do promise. I can't promise, I never do that, but I can promise you that we'll take a close look at computer model guidance, which is still strongly suggesting noticeably cooler weather by the middle of next week. All right, that's a good starting point for us here as we check out Doppler radar. Most of the activity right now, storm-wise and rain-wise, over the mountains to our west, but close in, we do have a few showers we've been monitoring. This area that originated, 25, 30 minutes ago was still pretty heavy rain back across portions of Prince George's County is collapsing and pretty much disintegrating. It's just a little bit south down the Potomac towards Alexandria, and the areas out near Washington, Dulles is very heavy. They're diminishing as well. Same thing happened yesterday, and probably same thing is going to repeat tomorrow. Just can't tell you the exact spots where they'll form up, but it'll be the same kind of pattern for us. It feels like 102 degrees in Quantico right now, 98 in Fredericksburg, feels like 93 in Frederick. Washington got some cooling rains, so it's very muggy, but air temperatures have dropped, and now it only feels like 85. Our forecast through the evening, mostly clear, but very muggy, a bit hazy too. 68 to 75, the temperatures by morning. Notice the wind speed's very light. The winds aren't only light at the surface, but as you go up a couple thousand feet in the atmosphere, they're very light as well. So that's why we're seeing the storms that pop up move very, very slowly. As we get through the next couple of days, we expect no shortage of heat. These are our forecast air temperatures, 96 and 96 Wednesday and Thursday, 99 on Friday, 30% chance of storms on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday probably in the very scattered variety late in the day. Pool, good place for the weekend. 99 and 97, the air temperatures feeling hotter. There could be afternoon thunderstorms both days popping up again, and that would be a relief as long as they're not severe. DC United hosting the Houston Dynamo at RFK, 7 o'clock Saturday. It's going to be a very hot and humid during the game as temperatures at best will drop into the upper 80s early in the evening. You can watch it live on News Channel 8. And as far as the numbers, look at that long string of 90s, some upper 90s too, close to 100 degrees on the thermometer. Above that with the heat index or feels like temperature. And then as we get through the next couple of days, we're going to continue to notice that the promise is still out there, at least the hope of a promise of cooler air finally as we get into the middle of next week. That's it. Think cool thoughts.
We'll be ready for it.
Yeah, those
I'm thinking cool thoughts because that's when training camp starts. So selfishly, I'm excited to see that 85.
Yeah, that looks great.
Speaking of training camp, that's where we'll see Kirk Cousins, which has been all the talk. We heard from him about why he didn't send the Redskins a counteroffer. Kirk was also asked if he wants to be with the Skins long term. Ooh, his answer next.